Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix black bars on stretch resolution Valorant. So if you're planning to play on stretch rest, you have to make sure that this setting is tuned. First things first, if you're using your NVIDIA device, you can just head over to the NVIDIA control panel. Now, if you're using AMD, you can just go ahead and open up a similar program, but in our case, we want to navigate through our NVIDIA control panel. From here, you just want to click on Adjust Desktop Size and Position. Inside this page, you want to make sure that your setting is set to full screen. It is set to display, and from here, you want to enable Override the Scaling Mode set by Games and Programs. Now, by checking this, you will be able to eliminate those black bars. And just below that, you want to go ahead and select your target resolution. Now, you can also go ahead and make your custom resolution by clicking on Change Resolution right here. And simply inside, you then want to click on the Customize button. Navigating back to the desktop size and position, you can just go ahead and choose your refresh rate. And from there, you then want to click on Apply. And so, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.